If strawberry pie is made from strawberries and blueberry pie is made from blueberries, then it's pretty obvious that a bumbleberry pie is made from bumbleberries, right? Well, it would be if there was such a thing as a bumbleberry, but there isn't. So what's the catch? We start by placing a refrigerated pie crust in a pie plate and fluting the edges before popping it in the oven. While it bakes, we mix a package of blueberry gelatin, some sugar, cornstarch, a good amount of ginger ale, and equal amounts of blackberries, raspberries, and blueberries. We'll let that cook just until the berries start to break up and the mixture begins to thicken. After it cools slightly, we'll stir in even more berries. Pour this into our pie shell and into the fridge it goes to set up. So what makes this a bumbleberry pie? It's the combo of all the berries. And when you sink your teeth into all those juicy berries, get ready to do a happy dance. Yes, it's that good. As always, the recipe for our bumbleberry pie is online now, and it's the perfect dessert to make all summer long. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a very fresh tasting way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. How's the bumbleberry, bumbleberry?
Yummy.